Temperature factor in ecosystem. In every ecosystem, temperature play major role for the living organism life cycle. The temperature is a abiotic component, but it play major role in every ecosystem. Thermoperiod means plants or living organisms developed in a temperature, in a minimum or maximum temperature, is called thermoperiod. Based on the thermoperiod, the plants are divided into two types. They are stenothermic plants, eurythermic plants. Stenothermic plants means that plants developed at low temperature, 0 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 20 degrees Celsius temperature. Between these temperature, the plants are developed. That plants are called stenothermic plants. And eurythermic plants means that plants developed at high temperature, 0 to 55 degrees Celsius temperature. The maximum temperature will be more in the eurythermic plants. 55 degrees Celsius of temperature belongs to eurythermic plants. That eurythermic plants developed at high temperature as well as at low temperature. Here it is one definition about calorie. 1 gram of water, 1 gram of water, heat increases or increase 55 degrees Celsius, 15.5 degrees Celsius to 16.5 degrees Celsius. Needed temperature is called calorie. 1 gram of water, heat increase to 15.5 degrees Celsius to 16.5 degrees Celsius. For this needed temperature is called calorie. The temperature measured by thermometer. Temperature measured by thermometer. Here it is. In aquatic regions, temperature, based on this temperature, we can estimate the stratification called thermal stratification. Thermal stratification. Based on the thermal stratification in every lake, they shows mainly three portions. One is epilimnion. It present at upper surface of the water body. And thermocline. It present below the epilimnion. And hypocline or hypolimnion. It present at the bottom of the lake. In epilimnion, the temperature will be changed, not in constant. The temperature not in constant in the epilimnion. In thermocline, the temperature is maintained constant temperature. Constant temperature is present in thermocline. In hypolimnion, low temperatures are present. Completely low temperature living organisms are present. A low temperature is present at the hypolimnion portions of lake. Based on the temperature, lakes are three types according to Welch scientist. They are polar lakes containing below 0 degrees Celsius temperature, and temperate lakes. The temperate lakes contains 0 to 4 degrees Celsius temperature. 0 to 4 degrees Celsius temperature. And tropical lakes more than 4 degrees Celsius temperature. These temperatures occurs in the epilimnion. Based on the epilimnion temperature of lakes, they are divided into three types according to Welch. Polar lakes containing below 0 degrees Celsius temperature. Temperate lakes containing 0 to 4 degrees Celsius temperature. Tropical lakes containing more than 4 degrees Celsius or 4 degrees Celsius temperature. Based on the temperature, plants are classified into following types. Types of plants based on the temperature. They are megatherms. The plants developed at high temperature during the year. Plants developed at a high temperature during the year called tropical forest. Example, tropical forest called megatherms. Mesotherms. In mesotherms, summer season, winter season, rainy seasons are present. These plants are called subtropical forest plants. Subtropical forest plants. Microtherms. The plants developed at the low temperature during the year at high mountain areas. Low temperature during the year called microtherms. Echistotherms. Echistotherms means extremely low temperature throughout the life, not year, throughout the life, extremely they maintain low temperature. Example, polar alpine regions. It is the temperature factor in ecosystem.